we have already discussed about the temple architecture. Defense architecture, it is very difficult to say because we have lack of evidences. A research paper has been written based on the fieldwork conducted on the defensive architecture of the early Kadambas, utilizing the various sources and taking into the account previous studies. The study focused on the forts of Uchengi Durga, Banavasi and Hangal, which still retain some traces of their early Kadamba heritage. However, Gudnapur, Halasi and Talagunda have not been included within the scope of this paper. A dilated examination has been conducted on the antiquity, construction, structure, characteristics and significance of the forts. You know very well the meaning of fort. A fort is a structure built for the protection. Forts have been referred by the various names such as the Pura, Durga, Mahapura, Vapra, Prakara, even in Kannada, Gonte, Kote. So we have a different meaning that Kote. The ancient forts, it means antiquity of the fort. The concept of defense emerged with the origin of woman on the earth. They protect themselves from the wild animals, fire, water and other women's people devised the various defensive structure, one of which was the fort. There is a evidence of the fort exists during the times of the Ramayana and Mahabharata. It is mentioned that Naradurga, that is a type of fort, was built in the defeat Abhimanyu. During the Vedic period, the construction of the Puras, fortified cities, was considered significant that one. The Indus civilization also provides the information regarding the such structures. The Megasthenisha's account, the Pataliputra, described the city of having 570 towers and 64 gates based on the Kautilya advice. The Guptas, while constructing the forts, referred using the stone and mud instead of the wood, leading to the changes of architectural styles. Thus, the antiquity of the forts can be traced through the various historical records and developments. The importance of forts, the forts have held significant place in the history. The Mughals put in the great effort to defeat even small Rajputa rulers. However, they could do nothing against the rulers of Mewar, as the impregnable of forts enriched with the vast resources created the environment where no Muslim ruler could succeed against him or them. Similarly, the Shivaji was able to challenge the Aurangzeb and establishes the domains over the Hindustan largely due to the numerous forts under his control. Therefore, forts have played the crucial role in the history. Why we are showing this picture? So I will go to Shri Parvata. Even Professor Rajshekhar sir has already excavated that thing, that secondary. So first we have seen that the pre-Kadamba period coins. We have know that Parvata. The second Kadambas coins we have Parvata, including that is forest, like trees. So we have the Kadambappan, Mayuravarman, we have that is some debates. I am not going to debate that one. This is the inscription of Chandravalli. So we have this inscription. Why I am showing this inscription? We have no early references related to fort in this inscription, Nagashi inscription. Even in this also, Siddham is there. What is the significance of Siddham? Then I will go to explain that on. So we have the forts of early Kadambas, Uchengi Durga, Banavasi and Hangal. So my point of view, the Uchangi Durga is the first capital of the Kadamba, early Kadambas. I will give you some sources related to that one. Maybe it is a debatable one. According to Chikeru Govindacharya, the Kadamba Krishnavarma performed the yagna near Uchangi Durga for many years. After the yagna, many people stayed there. The village became a Budhihala, which still exists today nearby Uchangi Durga. After Krishnavarma, rulers like Mrigesha Varma and Mandata Varma established their capital city at Uchangi Durga. Banavasi and Halasi ruled from there. The Shivalinga copper plate inscription states that Mandata Raja and son Maharaja Kumar Varma had his capital at Uchangi Durga. The sources is Mysore Archaeological Report 1911, page number 31. See also page number 128, Prabuddha Karnataka. The Harihara Mahatme. To the east of Harihara Kshetra, there is a highly sacred mountain known as Kalpanta Parvata. Kalpanta, that is a Parvata. On the upper part of this mountain, there are 2 Panchalingas, while the lower part of contains 3. I will show that Shivalingas also. So this is even this information mentioned in the Mekanji collections, Wilson page number 7. So where is referred to Shi Parvata. And also we have different epigraphical evidences here. Even Taukleshwara temple inscription clearly gives the information about the Parvata, Shi Parvata. That is a big inscription. And also that inscription mentions mountain of Uchangi located the middle of the Kadamba Vadi Nadu had 4 different names. It starts that in Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga and Kali Yuga, Uchangi was referred as a Uchangi Abbe. Initially, 3 Brahmin women performed the presence at the attained divinity. The inscription also repeatedly refers to Uttunga Parvata, Uchashungi. I will share you one thing. At my Hampi University life, I was published one book, that is Uchangi Durga. I go to submit that my book to Professor M Kalburgi sir. Please publish sir this book. Kalburgi sir has asked me, no, the Uchashungi, you remove this word. It is a Sanskrita word, it would not exactly correct, absolutely correct. It is a Kannada terminology we have, but Uchashungi, you remove that one, then only I will publish it. But sir, sorry sir, I am not give you this my work. I will publish my own publications. I did that publication from the Uchangi Durga. I put it that Uchashungi in Sanskrita verdict. Even Banavasi related, the period of construction, that's why I will show you some pictures about how the ancient Uchangi Durga, then only. I will tell you, this Uchangi Durga is situated in nearby Davangere. It is 30 to 40 kilometers from Davangere. The another Uchangi is there, that is 12 kilometers from the now today's Uchangi Durga, that is Uchangi, that is a later one Uchangi is there. I have seen the Uchangi Pura. Yeah. Yes. ASI is the protected monument, that one. Yeah. The period of construction of port of Banavasi, the inscription located the Megudi Aivale, Meguti, that one you know very well, Unugunda Taluk. It dates back to 634 and 35 CE and contains 19 lines. The 9th line regards, you know, the Varada Tunga Taranga Ranga. Also, my point is, that clearly mentioned that inscription Staladurgam Jaladurgam Tami Vagatam Tatkshane Pashya Tam. So it means Staladurga and Jaladurga. This refers to Badami Chalukya King Kirtivarman victory over the Kadambas. The mention that the fort at Banavasi built by the Kadambas was a land fort Staladurga and a water fort Jaladurga, as it was surrounded by the Varada river according to the Kautilya definitions also same will coming. So the Hangal fort, we have with us Hangal fort. So what is the period of construction that Hangal fort? A copper plate inscription of the Krishnavarma II of the early Kadamba period has been found in Hangal, which mentions Hangal as a Panktipura. Dr. A. Sundara discovered the brick and fort wall remains from the early Kadamba period in Hangal.